What's up YouTube, it's Mamalona BS back at it again with another video. This time I bought something from Amazon. I bought LEDs for the truck. I already opened the box. So let's go to the side. Okay. So I bought Underglow for the truck, just to see, you know, how it would look, you know. And I got these interior lights. These go under these go like where the footwell, I guess. But I actually need these because I don't have light inside my truck, like a dome light. I don't have it no more. And I got this. I forgot what this is called. I think this is a female cigarette lighter adapter. The reason why I bought this is because in order to have these connected, you need to have the cigarette. You gotta have these in to the cigarette lighter, and I don't want to have that. I think it's gonna look nasty because I have my epicenter knob there, and it kind of bothers me how it looks like that. So I got this. So I'm gonna have this run through the engine bay, and there's a hole where I ran my speaker cables for the amps. So I'm gonna use that same one. This is 10 feet. I think I got it too big, but it already came heat shrink and everything, you know, your negative, your positive. And what I like about this one is, look, this one comes with the fuse. So if anything was to happen, this will pop, and then hopefully this is like a fucking, what's it called, like a safety hazard, fire hazard, or whatever. Hopefully this is gonna prevent a fire hazard. So, and this is the one that goes under the truck. So off the bat, I know these are gonna have to go connected to the battery. So I watched a couple YouTube videos about this one and a couple reviews. I heard good things about them. Also, the one for the Underglow, this one doesn't come with the control. So the control for that one is actually an app. So you would go on your app, and it's Bluetooth and everything. So you would go on the app, and you could control it from there, from your phone. Screw this. Okay. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, guys. My bad. Yeah, there you go. See what I mean? Like, this will have to go connected to where your cigarette lighter is at. Little button, on and off switch. This is the control for this one. You know, this is to have it brighter. The bottom one's to, this bottom one is to higher the brightness, to turn it off. I think this is to switch the modes. I haven't really. Let me get back to you guys on this. Let me go set up the truck. But real quick before I go, see, so this would go in here. This will go connected to the battery. Alright, let me go set up the truck and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, so we're gonna be installing the LED lights. The ones that go inside here. So like I said, I got this because that's what I'm talking about right here. So every time I want to connect something, it's gonna look like that. So this is where I'm gonna run the cable. I got the cables right here. It'll fit. So that one actually comes from the engine bay, engine shit, whatever it's called. comes through there. Let's see if it can focus. Oh, this is gonna be hard for me. Yeah, it's gonna be hard putting. I remember this one now. When I installed my system, the only tools I didn't use was actually a hanger. I used the metal hanger for it to grip it, because man, it was hard to get it in there. I didn't remove that. I mean, just the metal hanger worked. Oh, actually, I see the hole. Wait, is that the hole? Yeah. Let me see. See, it's right there. It's not that hard, but all right, I'll get back to you guys when I'm done. All right, real quick, I wanted to show you guys this without the bag. So the fuses right here. I have one for my fog lights, actually, but that one came with the relay. So that one's right here. See, oh, here it's right here. So same thing. Here's the power. I unplug that screw. Same thing. And for the ground, I'm gonna actually run it right here. Grab this one, because this is a good ground. I don't want to unscrew anything else. But all right, I'll get back to you guys. This is how it looks. Two fuses right there. Grounded where I got the relay. All right, I'll get back to you guys. All right, YouTube. So I got it done. As you can see, I got one right there. Ran it through there, which is going down there to back there. And the same one for that one. Can't really see. But the only issue is that for these back ones, you guys, they're not shit. Hold on, let me turn on the light. For hold on. Alright. See? Like for here, these back ones, it's kind of too short. And I was thinking about putting them down, but nah, so there's too short for me to have it more this way. So I'm gonna just leave them out like that for now. You know, just leave them out. Same thing for this one. So here's the control. That's the power. This one's to change the colors. And this one right here, this is for the music. Right, I think, yeah. And then here's the thing I got. Boom, turn it off. Turn it on. But yeah, that was like a unboxing / tutorial, I guess. Oh, real quick, let me close the door, see how. So yeah, you know, it's kind of bright. It's for sure gonna be brighter at the nighttime, you know. Oh, so change the colors real quick. Was it this one? Yeah, see, you guys, look how bright it is. There's more colors in the app. There's the app for this as well. Control it. I'm gonna just leave it back to red because, you know, the interior is red. Don't worry about this. Don't worry about that. But yeah, guys, overall, I think it was a good purchase. It's GOVEE. It's the box. Yeah, I think it was a good purchase. Yeah, the only thing that I don't like about it is that I really wanted to put the back ones like up here on top of this, but they're too short, as you guys can see. I mean, maybe in the future they have some longer ones, you know, or whatever. But other than that, yeah, I think I think this was a good purchase. Let's see how this one comes out.
En una 454 por San Luis Río Colorado, seguido me ven llegar. Cuando hay chance en el trabajo para tirar el relajo, en la morada me gusta andar. Quemando llanta como es mi estilo,